Neanderthals' ancient innovations, uncovering a prehistoric fat factory from 125,000 years ago. Imagine a sophisticated cooking method mastered by Neanderthals in central Germany 125,000 years ago. Recent research reveals that these early humans skillfully extracted bone fat from large animals using the combination of heat and water, a method that challenges our assumptions about their dietary strategies. And this isn't just any discovery. It was at the Neumark-Nord 2 archaeological site that we find this evidence, proving the Neanderthals' remarkable ability to understand and manage their nutritional needs. The groundbreaking findings, published in the prestigious journal Science Advances, come from a collaboration between top-notch researchers at Monrepos, Leibniz Center for Archaeology, Leiden University, and the State Office for Heritage Management and Archaeology of Saxony-Anhalt. This research uncovers that Neanderthals not only extracted marrow, a practice known from their African ancestors, but also made bone fragments to create a bone grease, a nutrient-packed resource. But here's where it gets controversial. Dr. Lutz Kindler, the study's lead author, stresses that this was a highly organized and methodical process. Neanderthals demonstrated precise resource management, hunting preparation, and strategic fat rendering. This indicates a heightened understanding of the nutritional content and availability of fat, and demonstrates their ability to efficiently access it. Notably, at least 172 large mammals, ranging from deer to horses, and even the ancient aurochs, were processed at Neumark-Nord. Creating bone grease demanded large amounts of bones, significantly pushing back the timeline of this sophisticated technique to before the Upper Paleolithic era traditionally associated with modern humans. This discovery represents a transformative expansion in our comprehension of Neanderthal dietary practices and adaptability. Discovered in the 1980s by archaeologist Dietrich Minja, the Neumark-Nord complex reveals a preserved interglacial ecosystem that hosts various Neanderthal activities. Archaeological excavations between 2004 and 2009 pinpointed zones for specific activities: deer hunting and light butchery in one area, straight-tusked elephant processing in another, and dedicated fat extraction zone. Nearby, the discovery of remains from 76 rhinos and 40 elephants at Taibach offers a glimpse into the scale of Neanderthal life and activities. What sets Neumark-Nord apart is its preservation as a whole landscape, not just isolated sites, explained Prof. Will Robrooks from Leiden University. This comprehensive understanding unveils the varied behaviors of Neanderthals thriving within one persistent environment. But let's delve deeper. Professor Roberts also cautions that mass hunting of slow reproducing species would have had lasting consequences on the local fauna during the last interglacial. The findings portray Neanderthals as more versatile, intelligent, and resourceful than the traditional brutish image. This fat factory unravels the capability of Neanderthals to anticipate, adapt, and thrive in challenging environments. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do these discoveries change how you perceive Neanderthal ingenuity? Could the complexity of their strategies rival our modern understandings? Share your thoughts below.